If you found this video today, know that the celestial guardians have a special message meant exclusively for you. This moment is not by chance. There is a profound reason for you being here now, ready to receive this revelation. The celestial guardians want you to know that someone is preparing to face a tremendous challenge for your sake. This unique person, whose presence has been a constant variable in your life, is about to do something extraordinary for you. From the moment you met, circumstances have conspired to keep you apart, imposing a crucial obstacle that has made union difficult, if not impossible. However, the winds are changing, and this obstacle will soon no longer be a hindrance. This special person, with all their determination and courage, is about to accomplish something extraordinary to be by your side. I repeat, they are preparing to take great risks for your benefit. With each passing day without your presence, they see more clearly the impossibility of continuing without you. You inhabit their thoughts incessantly, like a constant light guiding their steps and illuminating their days. You have become a prominent presence at every moment, a source of profound distraction they can no longer ignore. Now, the conviction is established that the only solution is a greater and definitive change, as losing this connection would be simply unbearable and counterproductive. Thus, they have decided to take all necessary measures to build this union. Even though this commitment involves significant risks, they are fully aware that this transformation will profoundly change their existence and significantly impact those around them. However, they no longer care about the consequences. The value of finally sharing life with you is undeniable, and they sincerely hope this feeling is mutual. Although it will take considerable time before they are ready to make this union a reality, the preparation process begins now. This is a crucial moment, and every step taken must be carefully planned and executed to ensure success. Given the nature of the barriers that have kept you apart until now, it is imperative that you understand the need for patience and meticulous attention. Every detail is important to ensure that the bond between you is solid and resilient to all the consequences of the choices they are about to make. Their desire to make this work is authentic and profound. They are determined to overcome all obstacles to be with you, and for that, they need time to prepare adequately. The possibility of rushing the process is simply intolerable to them, as they understand that any attempt to hasten things could compromise the future you both desire. Therefore, it is crucial that you also demonstrate patience during this period. Your understanding and support are essential for them to move forward with safety and certainty. The celestial guardians warn that if you try to speed up the unfolding of events beyond the time determined by the universe, you may compromise the situation or make it more complex. At this moment, it is essential to allow events to unfold naturally. There is no need to take measures to speed up the process. Let them take the reins and reach out to you at the right time. They need this time to prepare properly and ensure that everything is in order for your future together. In a few months, they will contact you and share all the preparations made until then. They will discuss in detail the changes implemented in their life to be ready for you, so that together you can build a full and satisfying life. During this waiting period, it is important for you to be aware of the monumental transformations that will occur in your life. Pay attention to every sign, every small detail the universe sends your way. These transformations are part of the bigger plan the universe has for you and for them. Remember that everything is happening as planned and that each step is essential for the realization of this great love. Take a moment to internalize these words and reflect on their profound meaning. Remember that you are the object of the universe's love and support. There is a greater force working in your favor, guiding your every step and preparing the way for this union to be possible. The closeness of this person, your soulmate, is inevitable. They are someone who will awaken unique and indescribable sensations in you. They will occupy your mind constantly, being the first and last thought of your day. Their presence will be a refuge in difficult moments, a constant comfort in your life. All of this is on the horizon, waiting for the right moment to come to fruition. Patience is fundamental in this process. Do not rush. Do not try to force events to happen faster than they should. Everything has its right time to happen, and the universe knows the ideal moment for each step of this journey. Trust the process. Trust the timing of the universe. Soon, they will contact you. They will share all the preparations made, all the changes implemented in their life to be ready for you. They will be eager to discuss the details, to ensure that both are on the same page and ready to move forward together. This will be a moment of great importance, a moment that will mark the beginning of a new phase in your lives. Meanwhile, continue living your life, enjoying each moment, and preparing yourself as well. This is a time of growth for both of you. Use this period to strengthen yourself, get to know yourself better, and be ready for what is to come. The transformations that will occur in your life will be profound and significant. Be open to them, accept them with gratitude and understanding, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. The universe is by your side, guiding your every step and providing the necessary support. The closeness of this man, your soulmate, is a gift from the universe. He will bring with him an overflowing love, a love that will fill your life in a unique and special way. Prepare for this moment with patience and confidence. The future you desire is approaching, and everything will happen at the right time, in the right way. Trust the process, trust the universe, and above all, trust yourself. You are strong, you are capable, and you are ready for this great love that is about to enter your life. Each passing day is a step closer to that bright and love-filled future. Keep the faith, maintain hope, and prepare for the wonderful transformations that are coming. If you wish to attract these blessings into your life, type 555. This simple act symbolizes your intention and desire to align with the destiny the universe has planned for you. Destiny is inevitable, and it is written in the stars that you are meant to share your life with this special person. Contribute to the evolution and growth of our channel. Every message we bring is crafted with the aim of deeply touching your heart, bringing courage and comfort. Our expression is warm and inspiring, intended to strengthen your faith and hope. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. A higher power is always by your side, guiding your steps and offering support in times of need. Share these words with those who are also seeking guidance, becoming a beacon of positivity and transformation in their lives. By doing so, you not only illuminate the path for others, but also reinforce your own spiritual journey. May peace accompany your journey. With each step, each moment of reflection and growth, know that we are here to support you. We eagerly await our next meeting, which will be filled with faith and serenity. Stay firm in your walk, with an open heart and a prepared mind for the wonderful transformations the universe has in store for you. Amen.